Good morning everyone, I am Benjamin S. Salipada, your reporter for NSTP CWTS code 4481. So today we will discuss about the primary function of entrepreneur. An entrepreneur performs all the necessary function that will essential for expansion of entrepreneur. So first one is the plan. So planning is the first step in setting up the enterprise. It is a proposing of a formal systemic format in obtaining the legal section of the venture. So it is essential to plan before starting any business. So the planning process involves scanning the best suitable ideas, scanning of the product line, determining what type of business, also estimating the capital required, selection of capital resources, selection of location, availability or quantity of labor force, studying the market and market strategy to be adopted. Next one is the organization. A well-organized entrepreneur can effectively manage your resources. By organizing tasks, it manages time effectively and avoid unnecessary distraction. Third one is the decision making. Entrepreneurs not just about choosing the right option, but it's also about navigating and adapting changes. When starting a business, you need to think your decision that may affect to your business. So number 4 is the management. Entrepreneurs should develop process for all aspects of business from production to sales up to the customer service. So next is the innovation. Innovation is not just about creating something new. It's about finding solution to problem and improving existing product for a better outcome. Lastly is the risk bearing. It is the willingness to accept the possibility of loss or failure. Always remember that entrepreneurial journey is full of unknowns, so we can never predict whether our business will success or fail.